Dazzle the crowd with your feminine silhouette as you show off slimmer, firmer, and sleeker arms. You deserve to be in the limelight. Introducing the new Elasol Arm Shaper that works hand-in-hand with Elasol DX Verve or Charms for a top-to-toe streamlined figure that will be the envy of every woman around you. The Elasol Arm Shaper combines luxurious textures with functional style and revolutionary technology to deliver visible results immediately. The Arm Shaper, featuring 20 parts and 21 stitching processes, is meticulously handcrafted by 17 highly skilled seamstresses to bring you not just visible results, but also incomparable comfort. Cube Aqua Power Net provides superior stretching power and resilience. The high-tech tripod-shaped threads promote maximum sweat absorption and fast drying for comfort all day long. The special Cube Aqua Power Net wraps and shapes without limiting movement. Breathable Techno-Fine Mesh stitched using a flat sewing technique prevents chafing of delicate underarm skin. The wide surface hides bra bulges for slimmer upper arms. Lace panels create a more prominent cleavage while providing adequate support. The lower panel holds in and realigns excess fat underneath the bust line. The elastic band at the bottom edge ensures a better fit, preventing unnecessary movement of the Arm Shaper when it's worn. Cross panels support posture and lift the bust while preventing back bulges. Elasol Arm Shaper. Arm yourself with confidence.